Hey y'all, let's make strawberry cheesecake egg rolls using DivineKuizine sugar spice. Hey y'all, so we're getting ready to make the strawberry sauce. So I chopped up some strawberries, some fresh strawberries, and we're gonna sweeten them a little bit with some sugar and some water. And we're just gonna let this simmer and thicken up a little bit, and this will be our filling that will go inside our cheesecake egg rolls. Now the strawberries are simmering away, thickening up. We're gonna go ahead and start on making the filling for these strawberry cheesecake egg rolls. I'm excited about this because I've been craving something sweet, kind of creamy, but crispy. So this is like the best thing of both worlds. And we are going to be using the DivineKuizine sugar spice at the end to roll them in. So that's going to be even better to put it on. So I have some cream cheese here that I have softened. So I left it out for a few hours for it to get softened. And now we're going to sweeten this cream cheese to make our cheesecake filling. So we have cheesecake, of course. Hold on. We have 1 package of 8-ounce cheesecake. 1 8-ounce of cream cheese. And then we're gonna add 1 egg. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend that together. And then we're gonna add all our stuff to sweeten up this cream cheese. Gently. Powdered sugar instead of, like, some people use remoulade sugar, but I'm gonna gradually add some powdered sugar. And then I didn't have any vanilla abstract, but I had some vanilla powder, so it's the same thing or tastes the same. So I'm gonna put a little bit of the vanilla powder. I had a little bit left to give it that vanilla-y taste. And then I have a little bit of lemon extract. I'm saying it all wrong. Then I'm gonna go ahead, just a little, not a lot. And then we're gonna I'm gonna taste as I go and gradually taste the filling to see how sweet it is. And don't worry, the measurements will be. Okay, so we're gonna put some powdered sugar in here. We have our egg, our powdered sugar, our vanilla, our lemon extract. We just want it a little sweeter. Get that so it's well combined. And then we have our strawberries cooling in the refrigerator that we made earlier. Okay, y'all, so I have some graham crackers here. So I'm just gonna take them in this plastic bag and just mash them up. You can use a rolling pin. I mean, however you want to do them. You can buy, you don't really necessarily have to buy graham cracker crumbs, but take your fist, just pound them out, bowl. And these you can do ahead of time, these egg rolls, and you can freeze them, and then when you have a sweet tooth, you can take them out. So we're gonna do a little bit of DivineKuizine sugar spice. We got a teaspoon. We're gonna do a little teaspoon of the DivineKuizine sugar spice. DivineKuizine sugar spice. And we're gonna take some of the butter, melted butter. And I'm just gonna use my hands and like kind of try to get it, kind of bring it together. You know, get everything wet, but then kind of like, but I'm gonna fold a little bit of the fresh ones in here. Really easy, y'all. It's really, really simple and easy. So you have your egg roll wrapper. You're gonna wet the edges of it because you need something kind of wet. Some people use egg white, but you could just use simple water. And you just take your hand around them, because that's gonna be the glue. Graham cracker crust. I think we only just need 1 spoon. 1 spoon. And this is a teaspoon I'm using. Dollop. 1 teaspoon of the sauce, strawberry sauce that we made. Take it. Fold. Start rolling. Roll. That one came out perfect. Oil is hot, so go ahead and fry up our cheesecake egg rolls. It's probably about 3 to 5 until they're ready, y'all. So I'm gonna take them. Just roll them into the sugar spice, the DivineKuizine sugar spice. Cheesecake. Who don't like cheesecake? Who don't like egg rolls or the crunch of an egg roll? So I already have one cut up. You see how it was easy to make? So let's go on for the taste. Okay. It's good. It's sweet though. It's a little sweet. It would taste really good if you had some vanilla ice cream too to dip it in. You know what I'm saying? To kind of balance it. But I like the crispiness from the egg roll, right? And then you got like the creamy softness with the strawberry flavor. I taste a little bit of that lemon extract that I put in there. The strawberries are bursting out, so it gives you a little bit of that tart acidity a little bit, even if we kind of sweeten them a lot. But this would be good as nice and warm with a scoop of ice cream. So you know how like when you have a warm cookie, I'm gonna give you another analogy, a warm gooey cookie, and then you have your ice cream and how it pairs kind of that hot, that cold, that warm and cold. This is that. And this is a good, quick, sweet fix. I'm gonna go on for another taste. It's good, y'all. It's good. To get this recipe and more, go to DivineKuizine.com. And also, you can pick up that sugar spice for your next sweet treat. Love y'all, Chef Shay.